In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your PayPal password. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Make sure you're on the real PayPal site and not a fake or suspicious page. You should see the main homepage with options to log in or sign up. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the PayPal sign-in page where you would normally enter your email address and password. On this sign-in page, just below the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on that link. This is the starting point for recovering access to your account. PayPal will now guide you through a security process. You'll be given options to receive a code, usually by text message, email, or sometimes a WhatsApp message, depending on what you've set up on your account. Choose the method that you currently have access to. For example, if you can easily check your phone, choose text or WhatsApp. If you prefer your inbox, choose email. Once you've selected your preferred option, click Next to continue. Now, open the app or inbox you selected. If you chose text or WhatsApp, check your messages on your phone. If you chose email, open your email and look for a new message from PayPal. It might take a few seconds to arrive, and if you don't see it in your main inbox, remember to check your spam or junk folder as well. Inside that message, you'll find a security code. Go back to the PayPal page where it's asking for the code and carefully type it in exactly as it appears. Double check for any mistakes, then click Submit. At this point, PayPal may ask you once again to confirm how you want to receive a code, sometimes giving you the choice between a standard text message and a WhatsApp text. This extra step is there to keep your account secure. Choose the option you can access, follow the same process to get the code, and continue through the prompts. After completing these verification steps, you'll be able to reset and recover your password and then sign back